This video describes how to connect to the CCFC camera using Wi-Fi. Use a good 12V power source such as the PS150. So to connect the power cable to the camera, simply remove this red plug from the back of the camera, take the connector from the end of the cable and just rotate that slightly and you'll feel a slight click, and as soon as you do, then you rotate this inner ring and then it's in really good. I did that quite fast. Let me show you that again. So you just take the connector and you rotate it and then you'll feel click and you rotate that inner ring and out. And just give it a little slight tug to make sure that it's in good and solid. The other end of the cable, you simply take your wires and you put them to the power supply. I'm using a PS150. The power supply is off. It's always good to start with power supply off. I put my black wire, which is ground, to a G terminal, and my shield wire to a G terminal, and then my red wire to the 12V. I turn my power supply on, and on the back of the camera there's a LED inside this green button that is going to start off solid as the camera's going through its warm-up sequence, and then as soon as it's done its sequence it'll go to a slow blink. So we're going to cut the recording for a minute and then turn it back on as soon as it's into its sequence. My camera is now in its slow blinking phase and ready to be configured. I'm going to jump over to my PC and show you how to talk to the camera by Wi-Fi. My camera is now ready for Wi-Fi communications. I can start talking to it using my smartphone or laptop. I'm going to show you how to do it using the laptop. First I have to turn on my Wi-Fi. Now that's on, I go to this button in the tray and I look for my camera. It'll show up as CCFC and then the serial number. In this case it's 1016. I click on that and I hit connect. Wait for the connection. As soon as I'm connected, I go up to my address bar and I simply type in 10.0.1 and there it is. I'm talking to my camera. In the upper right there's a live video button that if I click on that I'll see what the camera is looking at right now. Right now it's overcast outside, threatening rain. This is a view, southeastern or southwestern view from our parking lot, and so I'm happy with that. Now I can continue with the setup progress bar going across the top, set my capture mode, media profile, lens positions, and that's all it takes to set up the camera on your laptop to talk to the device with Wi-Fi. In your smartphone, you just go to your settings, make sure your Wi-Fi is on, and then you'll look for it in the list. You connect up, and then you go to a browser, typical Safari or something like that, and you type in the 10.0.0.1, and then often, and then you'll see this screen. But then often, the first thing I like to do is click on the live video, and that's all it takes. Hopefully, you now feel comfortable configuring the camera on your own. But if not, I encourage you to contact me or any of our measurement consultants at Campbell Scientific Canada. If you have any comments or suggestions for other instructional videos, please leave me a note in the comments. Again, my name is Robert, and I hope you have a great day.